everyone, how's it going? Thank you for all the beautiful comments in my last post. Now in the last video I introduced you to our brand new cake idea, Dreamlab cakes. And today I thought I'd introduce you to our first cake dreamer. Now when Carla and I first started to discuss the possibility of a 3D cake company, our priority was to make sure that it was affordable. And because I had never sold a cake before, I didn't know what that meant. And here's an example of that. This is the wedding cake that I sculpted for my cousin's wedding. She wanted this and 2 sheet cakes. And I charged her $400. $400. I thought that was a lot of money, but apparently it wasn't. Maybe just enough for the sheet cakes? Maybe? And apparently when you're creating a wedding cake, you're also supposed to upcharge. Instead of $5 a slice, it's $7 a slice. Why? I don't know, man. That sounds so stupid. So my first lesson when it came to selling cakes was that time is money. And I didn't charge for my time decorating or sculpting that cake, so we didn't make any money. So for Dreamer, we decided that if we made a kawaii type cake, then the cartoonish details would allow us to spend less time decorating. And if we gave him like a tiny body, then we would spend even less time creating clothes and costume details. Even with all of that in mind, it still took me 5.5 hours to create this cake. And that's from like stacking and icing the cakes to all of the final fondant detail. Now our goal was to make this cake profitable at $90, and right now it wasn't there. Not at all. So I spent a good 6 months just learning how to do things with the 3D printer, creating cookie cutters, a bunch of shortcuts. And I gotta tell you that learning how to do a bunch of things all at once is frustrating. And there were more days that I cried than I think there were that I didn't. It took a long time to figure everything out, but I was like constantly timing myself, and eventually I was able to get this cake down to 57 minutes. 57 minutes from stacking and icing everything to adding fondant, adding all of the eye detail, the drip detail, and I was so happy. All of those tears were worth it. I really loved the basic design of this guy, and I hope you do too, especially because I'm going to be creating and turning him into a bunch of things on this channel now. Now I really want your suggestions, so let me know in the comments who you want me to turn Dreamer into next. For the last few months, I've just been making Dreamers nonstop, but I still want to add to our gallery, so suggestions please. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I love you. I will see you very soon. Bye.